Hi, everyone. Welcome to, I guess it would be week 8. Um, Here we go with our traditional intro to the week. So, first, we're going to start by looking at what we did last week in case you need to catch up. So, Monday last week, we reviewed week 6. You had a Google form to let me know how things are going, if you need help with anything. So far, majority of the feedback that I'm getting is that those of you who are involved are staying caught up. We did weekly chat, um, and I think I had an opportunity to get in and reply to everybody. Tuesday, we did our virtual class meeting. We introduced our plane launcher. So this works in conjunction with what we did the week before. And then you had some feedback that you could provide me, see what you thought of this project and how you thought it would go. Wednesday, you should begin the building of your prototype to solve the challenge, and make sure that you're creating some documentation, taking some pictures of your process. Thursday, we changed this around because when we talked on Tuesday, you shared that you thought it would take a little bit longer than the first project, the actual paper airplanes. So we pushed back a little bit on starting the presentations, and I gave you a day to continue working on your challenge. On Friday, as always, you have time to catch up and do your weekly feedback or timesheet. Please make sure that if you are catching up on something that you missed from previous weeks, that you shoot me an email and let me know. I do go back and I check everything that we're doing in the current week, but I don't go back and review previous weeks unless you let me know. So make sure you're communicating that with me. This week, so we reviewed last week. We're going to share our airplane launcher successes on Tuesday. So we're going to have a live meeting on Tuesday. Wednesday, you have time to complete your paper airplane launcher challenge and the presentation. So if you're not ready Tuesday, take Wednesday, make sure you're wrapping that up. And then we'll share for the final time for this challenge on Thursday. And then Friday, you'll have time to catch up. Again, let me know if there's anything that you did that was outside this current week that you need me to go back and put in the grade book. Have a great week, everybody. Look forward to hearing from you tomorrow.